Did you know our brains are bigger and more powerful than we think? Hi, I'm Joshua, and welcome to the Zenfinity Podcast and your Motivation in Minutes. It's no surprise that our thoughts directly impact how we feel, what we do, or even how our body reacts. For example, if we think something terrible is going to happen, or if we think to ourselves, I don't know how to cope with this particular situation, we might begin to feel anxious. Overbearing negative thoughts often inspire worry or fear within us. We can't control our thoughts or what we think, but we can acknowledge them and try to give them less power over us. If we truly try to understand how our thoughts impact our emotions and vice versa, it can help us identify what makes us feel good and what makes us feel bad. Then, when we know without a doubt what makes us feel good, we can turn our way of thinking around and stop the negative or terrible thoughts from completely forming. Thinking of something calming in a tense situation will help ease you, and thinking of something funny or happy in a sad situation will help your thoughts do a 180 and turn around. Keep in mind, the negative thoughts won't completely disappear, but when we arm ourselves with positivity over negativity, we can drastically increase the way we feel and the way we react to situations. That's why they say positive brings positive. I want to thank you for listening to the Zenfinity Podcast. Keep tuning in for more Motivation in Minutes.